Welcome to the Emporium, my name's Michael. This is part 2 of the wood stove build. In part 1 we covered the design. In this part we're going to be going through cutting the stove and welding it together. So let's get on with the plasma cutting. After cutting the parts, just a quick job of cleaning them up. We cut some of the tabs here to ease the folding of the material. A simple 60-degree guide is used to confirm that all the corners are bent correctly.
It's going to be a little bit long. You have to tack the corners first.
A spacer is placed under the bottom plate in order to get the right offset for the bottom. There's slight gaps in the bottom, but that'll soon be taken up by weld.
Solid wire with gas.
Here we're just welding in the internal baffle to stop all the hot gases just escaping straight up the stovepipe.
Okay.
The whole build would have been much simpler to make if I had access to an 11 gauge sheet metal brake, but unfortunately we just had to fold it with the cuts in it and weld up the seams.
Help! Help!
So that's the majority of the carcass built. So afterwards I put on the door with two pre-made hinges that you can just weld on, and I used the cutout from the centre. I also made the ashtray, but I used 22 gauge steel just for the base. I then manufactured a small latch and attached the air inlet plate. And as you can see, it didn't turn out too badly. Tune in for part 3 where I'll be using the stove for the first time. So until next time, take care.
And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.